Hey y'all, I'm back. This is Pray Shop Cruise, and my name is Itiri. So, y'all know I've been on this diamond painting kick. I've been a diamond painting machine lately. Only on small projects, only on small projects. But I feel so empowered, y'all. I feel so empowered when I diamond paint. So, of course, everywhere I go now, my eyes are open to seeing if these stores have diamond painting kits, and I'm open and wanting and searching to see if I can find cheap diamond painting kits. Like, how cheap can I get diamond painting kits for, right? I've been doing a lot of diamond painting hauls. I've been doing a lot of little research. I've been online, and I just been enjoying the hunt. It's another hunt for me. And y'all, I went to Ollie's. Lo and behold, undefeated. Ollie's is always undefeated. They have one of everything. Okay. Now, this is the only diamond painting kit that I found at the time of this recording, but you bet your bottom dollar that I'm going to be looking for more, because if they brought this one in by this brand, Brilliant Art Diamond Painting, I am going to hopefully assume that more will come. Look at this price. Look at this price. $2.99 for the whole kit. It's a 10 by 8 printed stretched canvas, gem colors, 37 gem colors, 37 reusable bags, two single gem stylists, two comfort phone grips. I had to pause because I was like, am I reading two wax pieces, one wax container, one gem tray with easy pour spout, one instruction sheet. $2.99. When I tell you Ollie's is undefeated. Now, I don't like cats. These are cute kittens. But I purchased this kit to inspect it. The only reason I purchased this is because I wanted to open it. I wanted to see what the quality of Brilliant Art diamond painting of this brand by Art Skills, I guess. I wanted to see the quality of this. I wanted to see how the diamonds sparkled. I just wanted to see what this is about. So when I do find one that I like a little bit more, you know, I'd be more apt to buy it. But if it was $3, I'm still probably going to buy it no matter what it is, to be honest with you. So I'm just very curious about this. Let me cut this tape off. Let me cut this tape off. And I really just bought this so that we can open it and look at it, because my eyes were searching frantically in Ollie's, because I just felt like Ollie's should have diamond painting. Like, because they have kits for everything else. They have kits for everything else. The fact that Ollie's gives you double for your trouble for like an eighth of the price. They give you double trays, double stylists. You can't. I'm just so. Ollie's tickles me. They just tickles me. Look at these gems. So I want to actually look a little bit closer at the gems. They don't look as sparkly as the picture, which is fine. The fact that they give you two trays, and this brand gave you the wax container. Like, why doesn't this automatically come with other brands? Now, it does sometimes, depending on which kit you get, because I have purchased kits with I don't know if I haven't showed them on hauls probably yet at this point. Maybe I have. I don't know. Can't remember. I'm doing things in different order. I'm recording all my videos out of order. But what was I going to say? Some brands do give you a container, which I feel like they all should. Then you get two comfort grips, two stylists, and these are black stylists. These are my first black stylists. How dope is that? Tray. I thought we had two trays. Did it say we have two trays? No, one gem tray. Excuse me. With the easy pour spout. Pour your gems back in. And then the key. Brilliant Art Diamond Painting by Art Skills. I'm really hoping Ollie's gets more of these. Let's look at the canvas. And we get the 37 bags. They give you individual bags in this to pour your gems in if you don't have your own gem organization system. Look at this. Look at this. Have you guys found a diamond painting kit of this size? This is a 10 by 8. Have y'all found one of this size for $3? Tell me where. Tell me where. I'm listening. I'm all ears. Ollie's is undefeated. Let's look at one of these gems because I have to know. I just have to know. And I think these are that yeah, this is the same numbering system that like Diamond Art in them use. Is it? No, it's not. It's a different numbering system, I think. Actually, I don't know. I forgot what the name of that numbering system is called for the gem colors. I know you pros will know in the comments. Let me know what it's called. Which ones I want to open? Let's open these pink ones. They look a little shiny. I'm just curious. I bought this kit literally to inspect it because I don't plan to actually do this anytime soon. I will eventually do it, but I would have no desire whatsoever to frame it. I don't do cats, and I don't do cats. But it looks like it would be really fun to diamond paint. It's like it would be really fun. And I love how, yeah, this would be really fun to diamond paint. The colors and everything. It would take me a while. I want to see this. I want to see what's going on here. I want to see what's going on here. Are these sparkly enough for y'all? What y'all think? They look pretty good. Let me look. I'm looking closer with my eyes. I need to put the light on myself. Excuse the light. I'm looking myself because I need to see with my own eyes what's going on here. So they're not super sparkly. I've seen sparklier. That's not a word. I've seen shinier diamonds or drills. But these are really pretty. I love this deep magenta. Really? I mean, this is a lot for $3. Right? Let me know if you've seen this in Ollie's. So where I found this one, I did not find this one in the kids' toy aisle with the kits. I found this one in another part of where they keep a lot of the paper crafting stuff in this particular Ollie's. Look at that easy pour spout. That's nice. And it was on a separate shelf by itself. They had it on a separate shelf by itself. They did have it separated. So when they got it, they did know that it wasn't like your normal everyday, I guess, crafting kit. They did treat it differently is what I'm trying to say. They put it up a little bit differently, but it was near some other adult crafting kits. But this Ollie sort of mixes some of the adult crafting kits with the kids crafting kits too. So you kind of just have to be on the lookout on every shelf. I had to look up. So look up because there were some other items that I found from Ollie's just recently that I found by looking up on those top shelves. And you can find some really good things if you look up. That's a great tip for Ollie's shopping that I've learned. Look up because there are things up there, not just on the regular shows where you can see it. Excuse me, especially if you're a short person, 5'2" like myself and below. Look up, y'all, because there's stuff up there. Look, I'm gonna say yes, this is a win. I don't like cats. This is not something that if it was any more than $3 I would have bought, but $3 for a full-on diamond painting kit with 2 styluses and 2 comfort grips and the wax with the wax container. Like, you could paint with a friend. You could take this on a trip and diamond paint and craft by the sea, craft by the beach with a friend. And you guys don't have to bring anything. Like, they give you the stylists and the bags to put your leftover drills in when you're done. Like, they give you everything. You might need another tray, but y'all could pick from the same tray. Okay, y'all could pick from the same tray. This is how they're putting it on. So 10 by 8 stretched canvas. This is one of those frameable. I don't like these because I'm not putting all this diamond paint stuff up in my house. I like the paper ones. I like the paper canvases so that I can glue them down in journals. But this is a frameable one. I still think this is a great couples activity or friendship activity because you got the two stylists. So for me, that says, oh, let's do this together as a friend. You take one side, I take the other. Y'all, I love this. This is a win. Ollie's is undefeated. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you find it. If you made it to the end of the comments, go ahead and put some cats. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some cats in the comments or some paws. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.